mass casualty incidents are becoming more prevalent. The amount of natural disasters has increased by 24% since the 1980s. These alarming statistics are only going to increase. Ohio State Design has partnered with Battelle, an innovative nonprofit, to design for the future of mass casualty response. During a mass casualty incident, one of the most critical events is the arrival of emergency medical personnel. The goal of the first responders is to render life-saving treatment while effectively and efficiently distributing their limited resources. They need to maximize the number of survivors through a system called triage. Triage is a system that helps EMS personnel to efficiently determine the order in which individuals are sent to the hospital based on injury severity, all within 30 to 60 seconds. In this process, it is critical that patients are correctly diagnosed, monitored, and located to ensure the maximum victim survival. During triage, EMS personnel use something called a triage tag to identify the patient's condition from far away. Up until this point, there have been two different types of triage tags. One is a colored ribbon that easily ties onto the patient. The other is a card with very detailed information that takes up to 4 minutes to fill out. The PullTag was developed in collaboration with members of the Columbus Fire Department. This design opportunity looks at the goal of reducing the time it takes to triage a patient while ensuring that vital patient information is recorded quickly and correctly. The PullTag is designed using a pull tab mechanism that records the most vital information needed during triage: injury location, treatment applied, and patient tracking. More patient details are included on the back. When EMS personnel treats a severely injured patient with a tourniquet on the chest, he or she would use a red ribbon, rip off the tourniquet tab, and then the chest tab. This signals the patient's condition to the next first responder. The PullTag easily fits into the EMS triage bag and comes separated into ribbons. The PullTag eliminates the need to write down vital information so first responders can spend more time triaging and treating patients. When the patient is traveling throughout the mass casualty incident, they will have several different touch points and will need to be reassessed. This new system should reduce the amount of time triaging patients because vital information is easily accessible. They will use the PullTag to quickly identify injury severity. Using the PullTag can lead to more successful mass casualty response.